Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and mega shoutout and welcome back to my channel Ethel Allera, guys. And for today's video, guys, I will eat kwek kwek, the street Filipino food, Filipino street food. Yeah. Shout out to Mano, I forgot his name. Thank you so much. And this is it. Yeah, I'm not into this, but then okay, once in a while, but not every day or something. Okay, you see that, guys? So happened that I stepped down and buy some for myself. Then I see Mano, a vendor of this. And I try to taste this again. Okay, just try. Okay. By the way, Manong is 45 years old and he has 4 kids, a father of 4 kids, and no wife. I'm so touched with his story, a short story of Manong, a kwek kwek vendor. It's not that kwek kwek, he has hot dog, fishball, and other street food, Filipino street food, guys. He has everything. He has a lot, not everything. I am so touched with his story because he is an electrician. And for the meantime, while no customer, waiting for the customer and no call yet, so he is into this, selling the street food, Filipino street food. And shout out to you, Manong. Shout out, salute to you, Manong, for raising your 4 kids alone without a wife. Shout out. I'm so touched with his story with just a quick question and answer. So touched. So happened that, shout out to you, Manong. So good. I'm just eating this one. So that's it for today, guys. Just sharing the story of Manong, the Filipino street food vendor. Shout out to you, Manong, and thank you so much for allowing me to take photo and take a video of your what do you call, cart. Thank you so much and salute to you, Manong. Thank you so much. Saludo po ako sa inyo. May you have more blessings to come. And thank you, Manong. See you around, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit, stay healthy as well. God bless everyone. Ethel Allera is signing off. Bye, guys. Shout out to you, Tatay, and I am so proud of you that you are into this. Nga, pag wala kang ginagawa, pag if your customers are not yet coming or no call yet, wala pang tawag, nandyan ka, Tatay. You are there for your kids, and it's not just one, hindi lang po isa, but then you have 4 kids to feed. Thank you so much, Tatay, and I am so touched. Keep it up, Tatay. More blessings to come and more power to your business, Tatay. God bless you, Tatay. See you around.